This is Broker Anjo once again, and today itutur ko kayo dito sa First Park Homes at papasukin natin ang kanilang townhouse unit na Kalista model. Ayan, so kung naghahanap ka ng medyo affordable property na complete na ang turnover, may tiles na, paint, ceiling, and room partition, dito ka na. Kalista model has a minimum lot area of 44 square meters and a usable floor area of 40 square meters. May 2 bedrooms ito, 1 toilet and bath, and provision for carport. At isang good news guys, alam nyo ba, may free fence and gate dito once you avail a Kalista unit. Kaya naman talagang sulit. Pwede nyong ma-avail si Kalista Model Unit sa mga First Park Home Project locations tulad ng Laguna, Batangas, Cavite, Bulacan, Pampanga, Quezon, Bataan at Nueva Ecija. Available ang Kalista Model Unit through bank financing only and 15,000 to reserve. So paano?